You are with Project How-To, and today I'm gonna show you level 3 abs workout from the series Workouts for every level of preparedness. This workout is a great progression from the level 2 abs workouts. Okay, let's go! The workout will consist of 5 exercises. Each will last a minute, followed by 10 seconds rest. The first exercise is mountain climbers. Get the timers ready. We're gonna go on a front support in 3, 2, 1 and go.
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna get a quick 10 seconds rest and then we're gonna do front support tuck-in slides. Okay, and now we're gonna do alternating leg lifts. Okay, 10 seconds rest, and the next exercise is dish tuck-ins. Okay, and last rest before the exercise. Okay, now we're gonna do toe reaches. So straight legs, reach for toes. Okay. And that was level 3, more of an advanced level abs workout. What I would suggest, when you get to the last exercise, take a 30 seconds break and then repeat all 4 exercises for another 4 rounds. And that was from me for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!